English. Okay, today we'll do a revision of essay 1 chapter. Okay, this is for your essay 1 exam. You have essay 1. So what the good man does is always right. It is a very big story, so I will tell you in short. Okay, there are 3 characters: good man, his wife, 2 strangers. Now see, good man, this man, and this is his wife, and they have a horse. Okay, now good man want to exchange his horse. He want to get some money. Okay, so he took the horse to the market. Now first, then his wife told that this horse, you will exchange the horse, but this horse used to help us to do so many things. He used to borrow our things, he used to do, okay, he bring things from the market. Okay, he used to help our neighbors, all these things. Now then Goodman said, okay, but I think it will be a better exchange to exchange the horse for, I need money, so I will exchange the horse for a money. So his wife told that whatever you do it is good for me, so it is better, whatever you do it's good, so you better whatever you think right you do. Okay, then the good man went to the market for exchanging the horse. Then now wife is telling, will now it is too late. Okay, now so he went off, he ride off the horse, he went off. So good man counted. Okay, and I will for count his wife now. Next, this is the act 1. Now act 2, in act 2 it is for morning. Now act 2 it is evening. Now evening, goodman wife is worrying that goodman is not coming, it is becoming dark. Before he used to come before dark, now he thought, oh, he don't have the wife, he don't have the horse, so he will come by walking, so he is getting late. Okay, then goodman came suddenly goodman came, and 2 strangers was behind goodman, which his wife did not saw, and they were hiding behind the door. Okay, now goodman came and told what happened. Now goodman told his wife, I made an exchange. Okay, with what? Then he told, I will tell you the whole story. First I went to the town, then I met a cow. Okay, he saw a beautiful cow, then he exchanged the horse with a cow. First he exchanged the horse with a cow. Why? Because cow will give us milk. Okay, that will be made profitable for us. Then after some times he will give plenty of milk, butter, cheese. Then after that, okay, then he saw a sheep. Okay, then he exchanged the cow with the sheep. Why? Because sheep will get plenty of grass in our yard, in our garden. There's plenty of grass, there is no fooding cost, so and he will give will get a profitable. Okay, in winter, so beside more profitable, sheep is more profitable than cow, so he exchanged the cow with the sheep, because sheep will give us wool. With wool we can make stockings, jackets, okay, leather jackets. So next, okay, after that he went, then he met with a man. He was carrying, okay, goose means this is the goose. Okay, this bird is known as goose. So he exchanged the cow with the the sheep with a goose. Okay, why? Because goose will give what? Plenty of walk in the goose will walk in our garden. Okay, we'll tie it with a string, and it will be good for my wife. Okay, lot of time, spare time. Next, again he exchanged the goose with a fowl. Fowl is this is known as fowl. Okay, now fowl. Then he thought, fowl will be more better than a goose. Why? Because we'll have what? He will have plenty of eggs. Okay, that will hatch, that will lay eggs, and that will hatch. We'll have plenty of eggs. We'll have a poultry, and that could be better. Okay, then yes, but exchange the fowl yet. Now then he was tired of doing all these things, exchanging. Then he stopped in a small hotel. Okay, inn. Then he met, then he told that then he sat in the inn. Then he saw the innkeeper, the keeper, the in charge of the inn. Okay, he was bringing a sack full of rotten apple. Okay, then he asked her, what is this? Then he told, it is a sack full of rotten apple. Then he thought that last year my wife, in our apple tree there was only one apple. That apple my wife kept in the cupboard, and that was rotten, so only one rotten apple. So today, if I exchange the fowl with the rotten apples, then I can give a whole sack full of rotten apple to my wife. She will be happy. Okay, this is there. Next, and then he exchanged the fowl with a bag of rotten apple. Okay, then this 2 strangers saw. Okay, then here whatever 2 strangers saw this. Okay, then his wife told that, can you remember? Then his wife, my dear husband, now I will tell you something. Then this was the story finished. Now his wife was telling another story, that what happened after he went. I thought I will cook something better for you today, so I went to get some herbs from a neighbor. Then I went to Mr. Smith's house to get some herbs. Then he said, I have nothing to lend you in my garden. I couldn't even lend you anything from my garden. I couldn't even lend you one rotten apple also. Then Mr. Smith said, I don't have one rotten apple also to give you. Now I can lend a. Then he said, I will give him a whole sack full of rotten apple. Dear Goodman, what you did is always right. Then he told, husband, whatever you have done is always right. Now see. Then the Goodman asked, then the two stranger, well. Then the stranger came out and said, well, very good, well. Then he said, who? No, wife, wife, you don't know about the two strangers. They came behind me and they were hiding and they were just spying, means they were just hearing what we are speaking about. Okay. Now, then Goodman said, when I was exchanging my fowl with the rotten apple, then the stranger said that your wife will give you a good rating. Your wife will give you, okay, wife will scold you, okay. Instead of, then Goodman said, no, my wife will not scold me. My wife will say, whatever you do is always right. Then the stranger said that, okay, if that is true, then I will give you 100 pound of gold. If your wife say that whatever you do is always good, okay, then I will give 100 pound of gold. Okay, so they are the strangers. They have heard our conversation. So you gave me, you said that you are whatever you do is always good. So the strangers, now the Goodman, whatever Goodman said, that was right. So the stranger heard. Now the stranger gave 100 pound of gold to Goodman. Okay, that was. Now the Goodman said, now remember, morning I had a horse. Now I have what? I have 100 pound of gold. 100 pound of gold. Okay, so this morning we had horse. Now I have 100 pound of gold. See. Then his wife said, Goodman, what you do is always right. This is the story. Okay. So in short, I told you, it's a very big story. Now you have to learn this meaning. This will be your homework. You have to learn the word meaning. Learn it. Learn. You have to learn the word meaning. Question answers. I will give you the question answers. Match it and learn the opposite. This will be your homework. Match and learn the opposites. Fill the blanks. Do by yourself. Do this much. You have to do fill the blanks by yourself. So this one you learn it. Question answers I will give you in the group, and opposite you match it and learn it, and this one will be your homework. Okay. For today, this much. This is for your essay 1, the exam which we have for essay 1. Okay, thank you.